Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about the chapter Units and Measurement. This is the unwavering standard. How science replaced a drifting kilogram with a cosmic constant. Now, now you'll find the invisible framework of the modern world. The International System of Units, SI, underpins science, technology, and trade. This is a system. The length can be measured in meter, mass can be measured in kilogram, time can be measured in second, current can be measured in ampere, and temperature can be measured in Kelvin. The amount of substance can be measured in mole, and amount of light, that is candela. For decades, six of these were tied to constants of nature. One was not the kilogram, was defined by a single human made artifact. Next point is here you see that the evolution of measurement. How the evolution of measurement came. In 1799, physical objects defined the standard. 1960, meter tied to Krypton 86. 1983, meter anchored to speed of light. Until 2019, the last stand, the kilogram remained the only SI based unit still defined by a physical object. The problem of the drifting kilogram. You see, the masses of official copies were drifting apart. Since 1889, the definition of mass was a cylinder in a Paris vault. Comparisons revealed copies were drifting up to 50 micrograms. 50 micrograms is equal to the mass of one idas. The critical flaw, what we get here, the paradox, causes mercury vapor cleaning solvents. The paradox, there is no way of determining whether the national prototypes were gaining mass or whether the IPK was losing mass. Because the IPK was the definition, it technically could not change. If it lost atoms, the rest of the universe simply got heavier. The quest for an invariant standard. The Kibble balance, option B is the Avogadro project. You see here, this is Kibble balance. Balances weight against electromagnetic force. This is electromagnetic force, this is gravitational force. In 1999, the CGPM urged laboratories to break the link between the kilogram and a specific artifact. Here is the Avogadro project, the International Avogadro Sphere, counting atoms in a perfect sphere of silicon 28. For example, to equation, you see here the objects is 1 kilogram. Before 2019 explicit unit definition, H is equal to 6.6260715 into 10 to the minus 34 joule second. The definition of H defines 1 kilogram. After 2019 explicit constant definition. How it works? The Planck's constant is equal to Hf equal to mc square. Therefore, mass m is linked to Planck's constant h. Here you see Planck's constant h links energy to frequency. Einstein links energy to mass. Fixing h fixes the definition of mass. So what we got, h is equal to 6.6260715 into 10 to the minus 34 joule second. This is therefore mass m is linked to Planck's constant h. the new foundation. You see here, Planck's constant H 6.6260705 515 in 10 minus 34. Elementary charge E 1.60217663 in 10 minus 19. Boltzmann constant K 1.380649 10 minus 23. Avogadro constant 6.02214076 in 10 power minus 23. Speed of light 2997992,458. Cesium frequency 9192631770. Luminous efficacy, that is C 683. By fixing these numerical values, all SI units can be derived from the law of physics forever. An interconnected constellation. The old SI anchor IPK artifact. The new SI is a robust wave. No single unit is a point of failure. All are derived from universal constant. That is, you see here, it is all are derived from universal constant. A system-wide upgrade ampere. A system-wide upgrade ampere. Before, based on impossible to realize infinite conductors. After, fixed exact value of elementary charge. Kelvin. Before, based on the triple point of water. After, fixed exact value of Boltzmann constant. Mole, dependent on 0.01 kg of carbon 12 and the flawed IPK. After, fixed exact value of Avogadro constant. A road to unanimous agreement. 2011, agreement in principle. Implementation delayed for better data. 2014, data is still not robust enough. Requirement, 3 separate experiments with uncertainty less than 5 × 10⁻⁸. November 16 to 2018, 26 CGPM, historic unanimous vote. May 20, 2019, World Meteorology Day, new definition effective. What has changed and what hasn't? Universal stability. Definitions based on the fabric of the universe will never drift. Global accessibility. Any lab can realize the kilogram without going to Paris. For practical purposes, 1 kg of sugar is still 1 kg of sugar, but for science, the foundation is now eternal. A foundation for the future. Quantum computing, pharma and bio, space exploration, nanotech. Precision enables discovery. The new system is infinitely scalable for the breakthroughs of tomorrow. The language of reality preferred. Pure logical thinking cannot yield us any knowledge of the empirical world. All knowledge starts from experiments and ends in it. Albert Einstein. You see here, we have created a system not of human invention but of universal discovery. Thank you everybody for watching this video.